The study of logistics begins with a simple yet powerful idea: the movement of goods, materials, and resources from one point to another. Although the term may sound technical, logistics becomes easy to understand once we focus on one guiding principle: the direction of flow. Based on where goods move, why they move, and who uses them, logistics is classified into different types.
In this lesson, we explore 4 major types. First, inbound logistics. And second, outbound logistics.
Followed by the complexities of reverse logistics and the precision of military logistics. Throughout this discussion, one rule should be remembered: the direction of movement determines the type of logistics. To make these concepts clear, we will follow a structured format supported by real-life illustrations and a short narrative. Welcome to Types of Logistics. Every product has a starting point, and that beginning lies in inbound logistics. Inbound logistics refers to the movement of raw materials and inputs into an organization. It ensures that production can take place smoothly by supplying the necessary materials at the right time and in the right condition. In simple terms, inbound logistics answers the question: how do materials reach the factory or organization? The scope of inbound logistics is broad, including the purchasing of raw materials and their transportation from suppliers. It continues through the receiving of goods, followed by rigorous inspection and quality checks. After storage, the journey continues. Consider a car manufacturer where steel, engines, and tires arrive. All these items entering represent inbound logistics. Similarly, when a restaurant receives vegetables and rice from wholesalers, that inward movement of supplies is a perfect example of inbound logistics. Once production is completed, logistics takes a new direction: outward. Welcome to outbound logistics. Outbound logistics involves the movement of finished goods from the organization to the final customer.
Its purpose is to ensure that products reach customers efficiently, safely, and on time.
Outbound logistics answers the question: how does the finished product reach the customer? Now, let's consider the scope of this process. Outbound logistics includes the critical first steps of order processing and careful packaging, moving the goods swiftly from the warehouse to the customer. It also covers the efficient storage of finished goods and their transportation to distributors or directly to customers. Finally, it culminates in the crucial step of final delivery, the moment the product reaches its intended destination. Returning to the car factory, once cars are assembled, they are shipped to dealers and then delivered to buyers. This outward movement is known as outbound logistics. In daily life, when a customer orders a mobile phone online and it is packed, shipped, and delivered, the entire process represents outbound logistics. Not all journeys move forward. Sometimes, goods must return to their origin. This is reverse logistics. Reverse logistics refers to the movement of goods from customers back to the organization. It's about managing the flow in reverse. This type of logistics specifically manages returns, repairs, recycling, and responsible disposal. Reverse logistics answers the fundamental question: what happens when a product comes back? The scope of reverse logistics includes managing product returns, as well as necessary repairs and replacements. It also encompasses the recycling of materials to reclaim value and the responsible disposal of damaged or expired goods. Guiding principle: for instance, if a customer receives a defective product and returns it for repair or replacement, that backward flow is called reverse logistics. Reverse logistics plays a vital role in improving customer satisfaction and significantly reducing waste. It also supports crucial environmental sustainability efforts and lowers costs through intelligent reuse and recycling programs. Beyond commercial activities, logistics is equally critical in national defense. Welcome to Military Logistics, Guiding Principle. Military logistics deals with the precise planning, movement, supply, and maintenance of resources required by armed forces. It ensures that soldiers receive essential supplies, even in the most extreme and remote conditions. Military logistics answers the critical question: how do soldiers receive food, weapons, fuel, and medical support during operations? The scope of military logistics is vast.
including the precise supply of weapons and crucial ammunition.
It covers the distribution of vital food and water, along with essential fuel and reliable transportation. Crucially, it includes critical medical services and the rigorous maintenance of military equipment to ensure operational readiness.
During military operations, supplies must reach soldiers stationed in difficult terrain, often under strict time constraints.
The intricate coordination of all these activities forms the indispensable backbone of military logistics.
To understand all four types together, let's consider the fascinating story of a smart backpack.
The backpack's journey began when fabric, zippers, and electronic components were transported into the factory. This initial stage clearly represented inbound logistics. The raw materials quickly assemble into a finished backpack inside the factory. After manufacturing, the finished backpacks were carefully packed and delivered to customers through retailers and online platforms. This was outbound logistics. However, one backpack was found to be defective and was returned for repair, perfectly illustrating the principles of reverse logistics.
Later, a special batch of the same backpacks was sent to soldiers stationed in remote areas, demonstrating the vital role of military logistics.
Through this single product, all four types of logistics can be clearly and comprehensively understood. In conclusion, logistics is fundamentally classified based on the direction of flow and the overarching purpose of movement.
Inbound logistics supports production by reliably supplying raw materials. Outbound logistics ensures customer satisfaction through timely delivery.
Reverse logistics adeptly manages returns and promotes crucial sustainability. And military logistics supports vital defense operations and national security.
Thus, logistics is not merely about transportation. It is a coordinated system that supports business efficiency, customer satisfaction. In our next discussion, these diverse types of logistics can be connected to the broader, overarching concept of supply chain management.